The population of an island increases by 20% each year. After how many years will the population have trebled? Although similar to compound interest, it is actually very, very similar sort of problem, this to compound interest. So the multiplier for an increase of 20% is actually 1.2. So let the initial population be P. We're not told what the population is. Then we want to know what 3P is, because we want to know when it has trebled. And so that will be equal to the original population times the multiplier raised to a power of T, where T is the time in years. Which we've got to be able to find. Now obviously P, if you divide both sides by P, the P's will cancel out, so we just need to solve 3 is equal to 1.2 to the power of T. Now when you go further up the school, there's actually a direct method of doing this. However, what we can do is use a little bit what's known as trial and improvement, so drawing up a table of the time in years and population. So after 1 year, so we put T as 1 into this, 1.2 to the 1 will be 1.2. After 2 years, we'll do 1.2 squared, and we'll get 1.44. 3 years, doing 1.2 cubed, we'll give that number. 4 years, 1.2 to the power of 4. So here, after 4 years, the population has actually doubled. 5 years, 1.2 to the 5 gives 2.48. After 6 years, 1.2 to the 6 we get 2.985, and then after 7 years we're going to get 1.2 to the power of 7, which was going to give me 3.5. So we're going over, it's actually more than tripled there, and therefore we can conclude, because it says after how many years, the population will treble after 7 years. And these same sort of principles can be applied to a compound interest problem as well.